Way to go, getting better from the outside is Katipunera, and moving up by the rails, Alamid together with Maypan. It's now Alamid, Maypan, Katipunera is racing in third from the outside, running in fourth by the rails, My Promise, getting better than his song. Alamid by a length and a half, Maypan in second. Katipunera is racing on the outside. My Promise is racing in fourth by about 3 lengths, getting better than his song. Rounding the far turn, Alamid by about 2 lengths. And Katipunera is running in second. Maypan racing in third by Drarwasngap is getting better than his song and My Promise as they race the last corner. Alamid this time by about 5 lengths. Nera in second and nearing the finish line. Alamid, Katipunera and running by the Danny Song. And finally, number 1, Alamid. Second, Katipunera, Danny Song, getting better, My Promise, and Maypan.
Okay, 154-623 ang ating unofficial order of arrival crossing the wire first.